as you mentioned, U.S. equities fell, and look, the U.S. accounts for 65% of the world's listed equity market, so it's represented in everybody's portfolios. So
which is a high level historically.
It is a higher level, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, especially when you account for it. I mean, like the US is 4% of the world's population and 25% of global GDP. So you're right, 65% of the equity market in America is a high representation. Essentially what happened with the markets. Obviously, people sold down their the US holdings just simply because of a high risk premium, high cost of capital. Sold treasuries and sold the US dollar. Well, I mean, obviously, the US dollar as a function of obviously the assets being sold. You've had a disconnect. You've had obviously bond prices falling, yields rising, and the US dollar falling, and these are usually safe havens. So when markets are falling, generally you see people moving into treasuries and into the US dollar. So you've had a disconnect there. So effectively, everything in the US has fallen, and it's just simply been by an outflow of capital.